In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a graph in Excel. Whether you're analyzing data for a project or preparing a report, being able to visually represent your information can be incredibly useful. With Excel, creating a graph is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to make the process even easier. First, let's start by preparing and selecting your data. Organization is the key here. Make sure your data is neatly arranged in columns with headers at the top. For instance, if you're tracking sales across different months, you might have month in one column and the sales figures in the adjacent column. Once you're satisfied with how your data looks, go ahead and highlight the entire range. This should include both the headers and the data itself. This selection is crucial because it tells Excel what information you want to include in your chart. Now, let's move on to inserting that chart. At the top of your Excel window, locate the Insert tab on the ribbon. Here, you have a couple of options depending on your preferences. If you want Excel to do the heavy lifting, you can click on Recommended Charts. Excel will suggest a few chart types that best represent your data. However, if you have a specific chart style in mind, such as a bar, line, pie, or scatter chart, you can choose to browse all charts and select the one you like manually. Once you've chosen a chart style, it's time to bring your graph to life by selecting and adding it to your worksheet. Click on the style that caught your eye, then select OK. You'll see your chart appear right there on your worksheet, so you can start visualizing your data immediately. But a raw chart might not be enough for showcasing your insights. Customizing your chart comes next. When you hover over the top right corner of your chart, you'll notice icons popping up. These are your gateways to customization. You can add or edit chart elements, including titles, labels, and legends, which can help in making your chart more informative. Chart styles allow you to change the design or the color scheme to suit the theme or presentation you're going for. Similarly, chart filters let you choose which specific data points you want to show or hide. For even more customization, you can explore the chart tools in the ribbon, where Design and Format tabs provide additional options. Finally, for those who want to add a touch of insight like forecasting or identifying growth trends, adding a trend line is the way to go. Simply select your chart, head over to the Chart Design tab, click on Add Chart Element, and then choose Trend Line. You can select from several styles, such as linear, exponential, or moving average to best fit your data's story. And there you have it. With these steps, you now have the skills necessary to create detailed and visually appealing graphs in Excel that can communicate your data effectively. Happy charting!